I used to be such a blush person, like I did skip everything else but never skip blush. But then I tried this matte bronzer and it completely changed my routine. Hey all, welcome to my channel. Hi, I have always loved bronzer but I could never find the right shade for my skin tone. Then finally I found the perfect match. This is the Relove bronzer from Makeup Revolution in the shade Gobi, a perfect match for fair to medium skin tones. And the brush is from Doe Color. If you want a snatched look, use the small angled brush, and if you want a soft diffused warmth, go with the fluffy one. For cheekbones, slightly above the hollows of the cheeks and blend upward for lift. A bit jawline for sculpt vibes. Apply forehead for that sun-kissed warmth. So, if you are a medium skin tone like me, give the shade a try. They have different options too, so you can find your perfect one.